Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Botim. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To set up Botim app on your device, what you need to do first is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Botim, and once your search user loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list and simply tap on it. Now inside you'll be getting a get button right here. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, all you gotta do is tap on open, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on sign up if you are a new user. Then once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile number, ensure it's active and capable of receiving SMS. Then you'll receive a verification code via SMS, and then all you gotta do is enter the code to verify your number. Then once done, set up a profile name, and if prompted, a profile picture. Then all you gotta do is connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data and set up your payment account by simply tapping on me icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then there you'll find an option that says wallet, and all you gotta do is follow the on-screen prompts to successfully add your payment account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.